Meanwhile, DSWD Secretary Dengue Soliman said the move was part of the department's Family Camp project under the Modified Conditional Cash Transfer Program, or MCCTP. She said of the more than 11,000 street children in Metro Manila, 2,000 have been listed under the program. More from Haji Amin.
This is the resort in Nasugbu, Batangas, where the Department of Social Welfare and Development brought 100 families residing in Rojas Boulevard last week. Here, families underwent an orientation and workshop as part of the Modified Conditional Cash Transfer Program. But MCCTP was put into controversy after allegations were tossed that the social welfare hid street families in Batangas during the 5-day apostolic and state visit of Pope Francis. In an awarding ceremony for the Bayanika program, DSWD Secretary Dinky Soliman stressed that the transfer of families coincided with the papal visit.
Itong programang ito ay aming ipinapatupad na noong pa pong 2013. Sa katunayan, yan na nga yung kinukuha sa amin. So, ito na yung aming pinaglilingkuran na 2013 pa ho namin ginagawa.
So, DSWD daw po ang gumastos. Magkano po kayo ang
yung gastos ng pagkakaroon ng orientation workshop, oo, bahagi yan ng Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung gastos, pero dumaan ito sa procurement ng pamahalaan na merong mga pamantayan at cap.
Among 11,000 families residing in streets of Metro Manila, only 2,000 were registered to MCCTP. DSWD assures that all street dwellers, including children, will be aided. Under MCCTP, they will be given a chance to have a livelihood and shelter.
Sinusundan sila ng aming street facilitators at sa loob ng 2 linggo, meron silang bahay or kwarto or apartment na pupuntahan at doon sila titira pansamantala hanggang 12 buwan. Uupahan ng gobyerno yung bahay na yon at tutulungan silang makakuha ng trabaho or makapagnegosyo para sila na ang magbabayad ng upa matapos ang 6 na buwan or 12 buwan.
Soliman denied that they kept the poor families from Pope Francis when he visited the country. This is in the midst of allegations that the social welfare cleared all papal routes where street dwellers reside.
Hindi natin itinago ang mga street families at itinago ang kahirapan. Nakita ni Pope Francis ang kahirapan. Ang mga street children sa harap ng Nunciature ay nandun naman at nakita niya. Ang kahirapan sa Tacloban, nakita din niya, hindi po natin kayang itago ang kahirapan. At ayaw natin namang itago ang kahirapan. Yung pong mga dinala namin sa Batangas, hindi po yung tinatago kay Pope. Amin nga hong tinutulungan sila para mas maganda yung kalagayan nila kesa sa magsiksikan ho sila sa facilities ng LGU or manatili sila sa... Kasi yung mga ibang mga pamilya na hindi sumama, pinakiusapan lang lumipat dun sa... susunod na kalye o doon sa kalye na kasunod, nandyan lang naman sila talaga.
In a text message, Soliman welcomes any investigation on the issue. Meanwhile, DSWD awarded new heroes or individuals from different parts of the country due to their dedication and outstanding help to the community. For the People's Television Network, this is Haji Aminyo.